Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings. And today's There's a Card Thursday. Today I want to show you the lovely lily pad set and the lily dies. Let's bring this up so you can see the whole entire card. There we go. And what we're going to be using with this is we are going to be using the lovely lily pad stamp set and Peaceful Moments. I like this thank you, so we're using the thank you. We are also going to be using Granny Apple Green and Flirty Flamingo. We are going to be using for cardstock. The card base is going to be Bermuda Bay. We are also going to be using Scrap Flirty Flamingo and Granny Apple Green. And we are using the lily dies that you can get, both the stamp set and the dies you can get during celebration for free. The dies are level 2, which means you have to have $100. And the lily pads are level 1. Which is $50. If you buy $50, you can get those for free. So we're using that. We are also using the Lily Impressions Designer Series paper, which is also a celebration item. I love this paper. It's so beautiful. And again, that's a level 1, so you need $50 to purchase that. So we are using actually 2 pieces. Where's the other piece? Did I not cut it off? Oh, there it is. We're using 1 piece 5 1/4 by 4 and 1 piece 4 by 1 1.5. Okay. So the first thing we're going to use the Wink of Stella Clear. Okay, and the Big Shot. So the first thing I want to do is with Flirty Flamingo, I'm going to stamp the large lily pad on the Flirty Flamingo. And you can use a large scrap. You're going to need 2 things. You're going to need, and we're going to use the Pretty Label Punch. Forgot about that. I'm just going to stamp this right here. Okay. Then I am going to take and punch this out because we're going to need a punch item. And then what we're going to do is on the Granny Apple Green, I am just going to stamp with Granny Apple Green the large lily pad. Okay, and what we're going to do then is we're going to, with the dies, I am going to cut out, okay, there we go, going to cut out the lily and the lily pad, okay, so with the Big Shot. I've already done that. So there we have it. Oh, we're also going to use glue dots and stamping dimensionals. So the first thing I am going to do is I am just going to, with my glue dots, I am going to attach the Designer Series paper to the card base, the Bermuda Bay card base. I love Bermuda Bay. That's my favorite, one of my favorite colors from Stampin' Up. So there it goes. Then I'm taking the reverse side of the 1.5 by 4 inch and I'm attaching that to the front. And you can attach it a little below center. Then I'm attaching the lily pad with glue dots, right like that. Then I'm putting Stamping Dimensionals on the back of the lily. Placing that on top of the pad. And then I am going to take my Flirty Flamingo and stamp my thank you on the cutout, or on the punch out we did with the Pretty Label punch. And then I'm going to attach that also with some Stamping Dimensionals. Now you could do other things. There is this, and this is what I was going to do. There is this lily pad. It doesn't have a stamp with it, but you could cut it out and then in 2 different colors, and then piece the insides. One would be a light color. I was going to use Flirty Flamingo and Bermuda Bay, but I didn't find my sheet of all-purpose adhesive sheets. I know they're someplace, but I don't know where. Well, I do know where, but anyhow, I really hope you enjoy my cards and my videos. If you do, please shop from me. Follow me on YouTube, and everything you need to make this is listed down below. Thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.